Yesterday, someone uploaded this model to one of the Open3D sites. It is a character rip from the game Rumble Roses. I don't mean to throw the creator under the bus by using them as an example. But this model has several problems. And there is one problem in particular that I want to highlight. Let's first unpack all these textures to see what we're working with. As you can see, all these textures are in the DDS format. DDS files are an image file format used by many game engines. These use special compression algorithms to save memory and storage. While these textures show up in Blender and at first glance appear to work fine, they can cause many strange issues in both Cycles and Eevee. If we look at the official Blender manual, we see that DDS files are not listed and thus not supported. Instead, we should probably use TGA or PNG files. There are many tools available for DDS editing, but we just want to swap all DDS textures to TGA with minimal effort. I wrote a small program to help with this. It is called DDS Clobber. Links are in the description. If you read the instructions, first you'll need to install ImageMagick. Links are provided on the project page. First option should be fine. Installing it, the default settings should be fine. Next, download the latest ddsclobber.exe file from the releases section. Then, drag the DDS file or textures folder onto the DDS Clobber program. It should quickly convert all the DDS files to TGA. Next, we can replace all the textures manually or use a simple script to change all the DDS files to their TGA equivalents inside Blender. In summary, don't use DDS files in Blender projects. They cause strange glitches and render issues in both Cycles and Eevee. Always convert them to supported file formats.